Hi friends, welcome to A to Z Learning channel. Today in this video, we'll talk about M&M. M&M's share price today was all over the place, and at one point in time it was down almost 7%, but towards the end it recovered. So just to kind of recap in terms of what happened with M&M stock today, just to remind you, their kind of last closing price, which was the closing price of Friday, was just about 845 rupees. Today it had a gap down opening at 824. Then it kind of went down quite significantly and it touched a low of rupees 790, and that's when it was significantly down. At that point in time, some buying took place. People um, started to buy using this as a dip opportunity for them to enter into the stock. And at the day end, it closed 4.5% lower at just about 808 rupees. So it was very happening. It was the, I think, biggest loser amongst the Nifty stock today, amongst the FNO stocks. So let's understand what was actually happening with this stock today. So I think the long story is that they declared the results late on Friday. So over the weekend, all the analysts, all the investors were going through the results. And one particular item which stood out in my view, which is probably playing in the minds of uh, research analysts and the investors. And therefore, this morning when the stock market opened, everybody was doing is sell, a big sell on the M&M stock. What was this one-off item? You would remember that M&M and Sangyong were in partnership for some time, but for some reason, this partnership was not working out. And M&M declared last year that they will pull out of this investment. Sangyong is a very cash-strapped company. They have got great products, great cars, but still it has got huge demand on the cash. And Mahindra M&M decided that they don't want to be in this partnership, so they pulled out of this. So this whole issue with Sangyong is going on for a while. And last year, you would recall that when they published their result, they had significant losses that they expected as a result of pulling out of Sangyong investment. I think now, when we look forward, also there are two scenarios. One scenario could be that Sangyong could find a new buyer who's willing to invest in the company, and then the losses for M&M will be lower. But if there is also a scenario possible that if Sangyong doesn't find any new investor, any new buyer, then all the assets will be liquidated. And then the amount that M&M may get for their investment could be very low amount. So they have provided for all these one-time losses in their books. That kind of hurt them last year when they had a significant loss of over 3,000 crore, and 3,500 of that was all down to Sangyong. This year also, they had about 440 crore just on account of Sangyong, but overall one-time loss of 840 crore, which was seen as a surprise. And investors still kind of uncertain and unclear whether they are out of the problem or there are more surprises to come. So until there is a closure in terms of Sangyong either finding an investor or not finding an investor, until that clarity comes, that the risk of uncertainty, risk of further losses, further provision is there on the M&M. So, and that's what was playing in people's mind on the back of results that they declared on Friday. As I was saying, that overall, this Sangyong investment has dragged them down. Last year also, they had to take a big hit of exceptional charge of 3,500 crore. This year also, it has reduced to 840, but still it's 840. The other good news, I would say, in the M&M result is that last year they had a loss of over 3,200 crore. This year they have declared 163 crores of profit. So if you take out the Sangyong, I think the company looks very robust. the launch of Thar, the launch of Agri vehicle is an e-vehicle is very good. So I think they've got a good portfolio. As soon as they are out of SsangYong uncertainty and SsangYong investment, I think this company looks a promising company, and these sort of dips that you see in the market could be a great buying opportunity for you. So I hope this short video in terms of what was happening in the M&M, what may be driving the stock prices, a simple explanation and description of that through this video has been helpful for you. If you liked the video, then please press the like button and share this video with your friends and family. If you have any alternative view on our description, our view, then also please share those with us through the comments. And last thing, if you've not subscribed our channel A to Z Learning as yet, then what are you waiting for? Please subscribe our channel A to Z Learning, become part of our viewers family, and hopefully the content that we publish on a regular basis for our viewers, you will also find it helpful, and it will help you make better and more informed decisions with your investment. So thank you so much for watching our video, and good luck with your investments.